Okay, kids, now welcome to our language class. Today we are going to have an activity very special. And this class will be divided into two parts. The first part, you are going to listen and read this story. Go away, big green monster. Okay? But before you read, we're going to answer these questions. What is the story about? Is it about, I don't know, maybe about a boy? Or is it about a girl? Or is it about, well, I don't know. You are going to tell me what is the story about. Now, the second question is, what do you do when you are scared? Like, what do you do? And the third question you are going to answer me is, have you ever seen a monster? Wow, okay. Now, it's time to see and watch the video, okay? Good. Now that you have already seen the video, you are going to tell me and answer these 5 questions. What color are the monster's eyes? The second question is, how many eyes does he have? How many eyes? The third question is, what color is his nose? And the fourth one is, how are his teeth? And the last question you are going to give me the answer is, what color is his face? Here you have some clues that you can use. At the end, what are you going to do? A hands-on activity. Using a little piece of paper or a cardboard, you can create your own monster. Remember that you can give him or her as many eyes as you want, and you can create a wonderful nose and mouth and teeth and ears, okay? Then you are going to complete point number 2 on the worksheet, and after that you are going to upload it to Seesaw and share with us, okay? See you later, people. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful activity. Bye.